Best deals. 1. Silicone Door Protector. Wall protector from sofa back, keeping your walls damage free. Flexible and durable silicone door stopper offering long-lasting protection for any home. Rubber door stopper acts as door protector, sofa wall protector and wall protector from chair. Wall protector comes with poo gel, which helps it stick on your any surface. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Bathroom brush. Provides a flat surface for easy clean, cleans better and lasts longer, easy to hold and use, unique triangular shape easily reaches corners, evenly spread particles on scrubber for effective cleaning of tough stains, ideal for cleaning tiles, floors, skirtings and aids as an effective bathroom cleaning tool. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Dustbin. The trash can makes a statement with its stylish color and unique finishes, bringing visual aesthetics along with being anti-slip. With its modern oval-shaped design, the product turns out to be great in bathroom, kitchen and other rooms while taking up less space. A stylish trash can with a modern sleek design that looks great. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Callus Remover. After using the fur rechargeable callus remover, detach the grinding head, clean with the cleaning brush, rinse under tap water and dry it in a cool place. Rechargeable callus remover has up to 1 hour of use time and is rechargeable. Its ergonomic design makes it travel-friendly and easy to use on the go. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Toothbrush Holder. Crafted from durable ceramic with a smooth stoneware matte finish, these accessories feature an abstract human face design, adding a touch of elegance to your bathroom decor. The set includes a hand wash dispenser bottle with a convenient pump, making it easy to dispense soap or lotion. Its simple design complements both bathroom and kitchen settings. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Bath Mat. Suitable for home entrance, kitchen, bedroom and bathroom use. Home bath mats are made from super soft microfiber. Non-slip bottom backing prevents the bath mat from slipping. Bath mat cleans your bathroom flow of moisture and dirt. The bath mat is easily machine washable and dries quickly. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Towel Ring. Crafted from stainless steel with a chrome finish, this towel ring is resistant to moisture and daily wear. Its sturdy structure ensures long-lasting use in bathroom, kitchen, or wash basin areas, features a modern round design that complements various bathroom interiors. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Toilet Brush. The soft brush head will not damage the surface of the object. Good design makes it easy to clean. No annoying tangled hair. The soft brush head will not damage the surface of the glass, can be bent easily and clean all areas, even under the rim. The brush head will not easily leave stains, and will not entangle hair and other dirt, easy to remove dead spot stains. The round brush grip, comfortable and labor saving. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Storage Basket. Effortlessly organize kitchen essentials with this versatile storage basket, featuring a compact design and convenient wheels for easy access under sinks or in cabinets. Simplify meal prep by keeping utensils, pots, and spice jars neatly organized and within reach, ensuring a stress-free cooking experience every time. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Scrubber. Use it as a bath brush or body cleaner to exfoliate dead skin, remove dirt, and promote circulation. Perfect for everyday shower wash routines. Ideal for both men and women, the silicone bath brush helps reach hard to clean areas easily, making it a must-have for personal hygiene. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Toothbrush Holder. The unique design makes the toothbrush storage containers perfect for outdoor travel, camping, family, school, business trip and also an ideal for gifts. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Hanger. Featuring 8 sturdy hooks, perfect for organizing clothes, towels, accessories and other lightweight items. Removable adhesive backing allows for tool-free mounting, simply peel, stick, and wait 24 hours before use. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Scrubber. Is made of food-grade silicone, healthy and environmentally friendly, free of BPA and no harmful substances. It has high temperature resistance that is safe and durable, and is easy to clean that can effectively exfoliate and massage the skin, which is more hygienic. Surfaces of silicone shower brushes designed for different functions. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Soap holder. Simple and elegant design of this soap holder gives premium look to your bathroom, kitchen and washroom walls. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Toilet seat handle. Made of high-quality silicone material with smooth edges, with safe and non-toxic features, soft and durable, you can easily adjust to open the toilet lid without touching the cold toilet bowl with your hands in winter, more comfortable and clean for your family, especially kids. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Shower head holder. This shower head holder can adjust the angle when you are showering, and it holds different style handheld shower heads. To enjoy more angle bath. The whole process you can finish in seconds. Clean the surface and do keep dry before sticking on. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Portable toilet jet spray. It is essential for international travelers who face discomfort in using toilet paper and prefer water instead. Includes 2 reusable magic hooks that work on any surface. Comes with a waterproof carry pouch to store the product. Ideal for people with limited mobility and senior citizens, as it can be used next to the bed or with a portable toilet. Perfect for travel, public restrooms, or areas with limited access to water. Lightweight and easy to carry, it comes with 2 reusable magic hooks and a waterproof pouch for mess-free storage. Made from FDA-approved materials, it's safe for all, including seniors and people with limited mobility. Stay fresh and hygienic wherever you go with bottom line. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Organizer. Stylish style and great effect. Wide used as a beautiful decoration in your bedroom, bathroom, office, wardrobe, drawer and dresser. Made of PET material, it's super smooth, durable and waterproof. Suitable for women and girls. Perfect for your travels, business trips and outdoor activities. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Bamboo basket. Having a lid that covers up all your dirty clothes is great for fixing this problem. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Toothbrush holders. It is easy to install without punching holes. It is waterproof, moisture-proof and anti-aging, and it is not easy to fall if it is used for a long time. Saves space, not hurt the wall, solid and durable, holder can accommodate a variety of toothbrushes, which is dust-proof, hygienic and beautiful. Product link is given in the 20th link.